Hi, you can download the Expert Advisor that is built in this video and use it for your own AI codebase by just clicking on the link below.
In this video, we are going to create an Expert Advisor that calculates and displays the current Parabolic SAR value on the chart. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon here or pressing F4. This opens the Metaeditor where we can create our new Expert Advisor. The code begins with the OnTick function, which is called every time a new tick arrives for the symbol we are trading. Inside this function, we first create an array to store several price values. We declare a dynamic array of type double named mySARArray. The empty square brackets indicate this is an array that will hold multiple values. Next, we define the properties for the Parabolic SAR indicator. We use the iSAR function, which creates a handle for the Parabolic SAR indicator. The first parameter is underscore symbol, which represents the current symbol of the chart where the Expert Advisor is running. The second parameter is underscore period, which uses the current time frame of the chart. The third parameter is 0.02, which sets the initial acceleration factor for the Parabolic SAR calculation. The fourth parameter is 0.2, which sets the maximum acceleration factor that the indicator can reach. After defining the SAR properties, we need to sort our price array. We use ArraySetAsSeries with mySARArray as the first parameter and true as the second parameter. Setting the second parameter to true sorts the array from the current candle downwards, meaning the most recent candle will be at index 0, the previous candle at index 1, and so on. Now we copy the SAR values into our array using copybuffer. The first parameter is SAR definition, which is the handle we created earlier for the Parabolic SAR indicator. The second parameter is 0, which indicates we want the main buffer of the indicator. The third parameter is 0, which means we start copying from the current candle. The fourth parameter is 3, which tells the function to copy data for 3 candles. The fifth parameter is mySARArray, which is the array where the copied data will be stored. With the data copied into our array, we can now calculate the SAR value for the current candle. We use normalized double to round the value to 5 decimal places. The first parameter is mySARArray 0, which accesses the SAR value for the current candle since we sorted the array with the most recent data at index 0. The second parameter is 5, which specifies we want 5 digits after the decimal point. Finally, we display the calculated SAR value on the chart using the comment function. The first parameter is the text SAR value followed by a colon and a space. The second parameter is SAR value, which contains our calculated and normalized Parabolic SAR value for the current candle. After writing all this code, we press F7 to compile the Expert Advisor. The compilation process checks for any syntax errors and creates the executable file that can be used in Metaeditor. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you maybe want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. Now we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and are to start the strategy tester. We pick the Expert Advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. Then we should see the Expert Advisor on the chart displaying the current SAR value in the top left corner. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an Expert Advisor that calculates and displays the current Parabolic SAR value using just a few lines of MQL code. You have now coded an Expert Advisor that shows the SAR indicator value directly on your chart. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.